Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna go for the unboxing of this BETA IoT Wi-Fi extender that I have purchased from Amazon. So if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe. So guys, what happens, like sometimes in your home, although you might have a very good package of Wi-Fi, I mean internet, but there could be some dead zone or certain areas where the network connectivity is not good, so you may need devices like this. In my home also there are places, so that's why I have purchased this. And when you purchase anything like this, make sure you read about it and what it supports. So with the advantage of this is, like, it supports both 2.4 gigahertz and also 5 gigahertz, so means like even for 5G internet this is gonna work, and that is why I have purchased this. Alright, let me see what exactly I have got in this bag. Alright, I have got this, the main device, and I have got a starter, and probably there will be instruction book, and yes it is, I have the instruction book. So what it says, so here if you look carefully, so I have one for 2.4 and one for 5G. So 5G is now very important because that's the future. And let's open the user manual, what exactly we are gonna do. Now we need to read the usage. Okay, place the extended power supply so it says, like, place the extender and supply power. Place your extender in the middle of your router and your device, such as the distance between the extender and the router should be less than 10 meters. Enter like this. Okay, router this. Okay, so it is telling me like use in middle. Step 2, set up the Wi-Fi range extender on your wireless device. Plug the extender into an electric outlet with proximity to the Wi-Fi router or access point, and wait until the sys lid is lit at 2.4 and green, and wait with about 45 seconds. Search and connect to the extender Wi-Fi network in your wireless network list with a smartphone or laptop. This network is open, you can connect it directly, but this network can't serve the internet. Keep your smartphone or laptop being connected to the extender during installation. If you connect after resetting, please long press the extension beta in the network, select forget until open state. So basically these are the steps to configure, and these are the credentials, and I'm gonna follow it, and I'm gonna set a password, and then I'm gonna use. So this may be useful to you. Thanks for watching.